Welcome back to the Waikay Academy. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use the LLM Action Plan, an essential feature in Waikay's topic reports that gives you practical recommendations to improve your brand's visibility in AI-generated responses. We'll use the topic report for ClickUp.com on project management software as our example. First, open the topic report you've already created, in our case for the topic project management software. Then head to the top right corner and click on Action Plan. The LLM Action Plan includes 5 key sections: strengths, content gaps, recommendations, implementation, and LLM citations. Let's go through them one by one. The strengths section highlights what's already working well for your brand or your competitors. For example, we can see that ClickUp.com has extensive blog content on project management topics. That's a strong signal picked up by AI models. Meanwhile, Asana.com is noted for having a dedicated solutions page for project management, another clear strength. These points help you understand what content is already resonating and being picked up by language models. The content gaps section is one of the most valuable parts of the action plan. Here, Waikay identifies missing or underperforming content by comparing your brand to its two competitors. Gaps are marked as critical, significant, or moderate, depending on priority. Let's take a look at 2 critical topic gaps for ClickUp. The first is labels and organization. Waikay points out that ClickUp lacks content explaining its labeling system and visual organization, which is a core feature in project management tools. Meanwhile, Trello explained this very clearly on its tour page. The second critical gap is visual system. ClickUp's content doesn't focus enough on visual project management, while Trello's entire site emphasizes a visual-first user experience. These insights help you pinpoint exactly what content needs work to stay competitive. Next is the recommendations section. This is where Waikay translates those content gaps into concrete, actionable steps, whether it's new content creation, enhancements, or structural improvements. Here's an example of a recommendation for ClickUp. New content creation. Create dedicated pages that explain your labeling, tagging, and visual organization tools with real examples and best practices. And another suggestion, structural improvement. Build a visual-first product tour similar to Trello's, using screenshots and videos to walk users through the interface and main features. These suggestions are directly aligned with how AI models understand and compare brands, making them incredibly valuable. Finally, the LLM mentions section shows you exactly which pages the AI models referenced when talking about your competitors for this topic. These are valuable insights. If you can get your brand or product mentioned on the same pages or platforms, it increases your chances of being cited in future AI-generated answers. This gives you a new angle on an AI-era link building and content placement. And that's how you use the LLM Action Plan inside Waikay. It's your step-by-step guide to improving your brand's presence in how AI models see, cite, and recommend you. And don't forget to check out more practical tips right here on the Waikay Academy. Thanks for watching.